So I'm going to Disneyland today. I'm wearing this cute little red shirt. So I decided I want to try to do red eyeshadow. But I don't know how that's gonna turn out. So I guess we'll find out. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, that looks kind of crazy, not gonna lie. Oh well. Okay, so here's the hard part. I have this, right? But I don't even know how to start. I've decided that this is either going to be really good or really bad. I look like I have no body. Okay, so I did a transition shade. Not sure if it's gonna match, but we'll go for it. Now I'm gonna do that one. We'll see. Now that that's done, I'm going to attempt to do a halo eye, but I don't think that's gonna work, but we'll see. I'm using the darker one now, so wish me luck. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the light brown transition was not the move. Let me blend this and I'll see what I can do. I think that this is about as good as it's gonna get. The photo that I looked at, she had a little thing going on in the middle of her eye, like shimmering or something, but I don't remember what it was and I can't find the picture now, so I'm gonna just wing it, I think. What color would even look good on that though? So I found the picture. She puts white shimmer. I don't have white shimmer, so I also realized that her eyelids are a lot bigger than mine, so hers looks a lot better. All right, never mind. I found a white shimmer, so we're gonna try that out. Should I use a brush or should I use my fingers? Let's try my fingers. that is very white. Wow, it just looks the same. Okay, let me... Okay, honestly, I think my eyelids are too small for this. Okay, it doesn't look like that in person, like in real life. Yeah, okay. I think I'm done with that part. I decided I'm gonna... Ooh, what's that thing? Ooh, that thing. I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to decide if I want to do red on my lower lash line. Probably just like a little bit, right? But I have like these weird flaps under my eyes and everything gets stuck in that, so I don't think it'll look good. So this is the final look. Not the best, but I'm also not upset with it, so. I'm kind of feeling myself. Okay, bye.